Start selling digital products without a website and start with $0. That's how we made $3,313 per week online, mostly passively. If you've seen our other channel, Molly Kaiser's, this is the kind of growth we're talking about here. In this video, I'm taking you through the exact steps we used so you can start selling fast without needing a storefront, sales page, or even a product yet. You do not need a huge following to start making sales, just the right kind of content. The first step to selling digital products without a website is to grow a YouTube channel, but a channel that attracts the right audience. You want to start by posting 1 to 2 videos per week using titles modeled after outlier videos in your niche. You want to focus on searchable content with high demand, but low competition. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ are so great for this kind of keyword research. The goal is to train the algorithm to recognize your channel as valuable for a specific topic. Keep your thumbnails clear and bold, preferably with your face and short text. You want to hook viewers quickly with a short, engaging intro, under 30 seconds, and end with a strong call to action to your freebie or another video. Make sure your channel banner clearly communicates your channel's niche and value proposition. Always include your freebie link in your description and a pinned comment. I love this tip, and it's batch film 4 to 8 videos at once because it can help you stay consistent and it's so much less stress. In your videos, use storytelling, personal experiences, and real numbers to build trust and keep people watching. It's so key. One of the biggest things I see everybody overthink is your setup. So do not overthink your setup, your camera, your lighting. Natural light and your phone are more than enough to get started. You want to promote each video to your email list. YouTube monetization through ads is great, but selling your own products is far more profitable and sustainable. Every video you post is an asset that works for you 24/7. You do not need fancy gear or years of experience for this. Just commit to posting weekly and improving in every video. It is 100% possible. What niche are you thinking about starting your channel in? Comment below so we can support each other. And if you want to learn our entire process for creating and selling your own digital products, along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. You do not need a website to build an email list. You want to use a free tool, and the free tool we use and always recommend is System.io. This is where you're going to create your lead magnet landing page. Email is one of the most valuable tools in your business because it gives you a direct line to your audience. Start with something super simple and helpful, like a one-page checklist, spreadsheet, or swipe file. Again, System.io is so great because it offers a free plan and it's beginner-friendly. Your landing page should highly focus on clarity, so think a strong headline, benefit-driven bullet points, and an email form so they can give you their email in exchange. Make sure to include a visual mock-up of your freebie so they know what it looks like, because when somebody can visualize what they're about to buy, it increases conversions. Then once somebody opts in, you're going to go ahead and then direct them to a thank you page that either promotes your digital product or encourages them to watch a video. Make sure to promote your freebie in every video that you make, ideally in the first 90 seconds for maximum exposure. You want to then, of course, go ahead and include the link to your freebie in the description, in a pinned comment, and even in your channel's banner. Then once you have people on your list, you can go ahead and set up an email sequence that's going to then build trust with your audience. A 5-day welcome series is the perfect place to start. You want to teach and share tips to provide value. You want to share a story so you become relatable to them. But above all, make sure that you are providing value in every email. This strategy alone helped us grow to 2,500 to 4,000 new email subscribers per month. From there, you can promote your product and drive sales directly. I love this because it's scalable, predictable, and you're not relying on any given algorithm. With one simple freebie and constant promotion, your list will grow on autopilot. Want to know what digital product you should be creating? Just ask. Once your list starts growing, run a simple 1-question survey. Think about surveying your audience like trying to get true feedback for what you should be giving them. If you're giving somebody something to help them, who is the best person to tell you what they need? That person, right? The best way to create something that people will actually buy is to let them tell you what they actually need. Keep your survey super short and super sweet to maximize responses. A great prompt we love is, if you could wave a magic wand, what would you fix about insert topic? right now. You can use free tools like Google Forms or Typeform to collect those answers. They make it super simple. We always recommend to send a survey out once you get to 1 to 200 email subscribers. You can even ask them in your YouTube community tab or under a video in the comments. As responses come in, organize them in a spreadsheet and look for recurring patterns and problems. These are your most profitable product opportunities. The magic is in using your audience's exact words in your copy and in your text later. Another great idea is letting them vote on a poll, right? You give them a poll of 1 to 2 to 3 different responses. Ask them what would they pay for that and what kind of format do they prefer. So think like an ebook, a workshop, a template, etc. This gives you data-backed validation and saves you from wasting your time. If you even want to go deeper, you can use ChatGPT to help you organize the responses and brainstorm new product angles. This one step can save you months of work and help you launch with confidence. You do not need to guess your way to your first sale. Let your audience tell you exactly what to make. What if you could get paid before creating your product? Well, you technically can. You're going to create a simple checkout page and sell your ebook or your workshop before it even exists. Okay, but what the heck, why? What do we mean by this, right? So you're going to choose the idea that your audience responded to the most and turn it into a simple outline. Then once you have that outline, you're going to use System.io to help you create a simple checkout page. You're going to, in that checkout page, let people know what you're creating, who you're creating it for, what problem it solves, and the result that they will get. You also want to add urgency by adding early bird pricing or even something like limited spots. I like pricing initial offers between $27 and $59, so it genuinely feels like a no-brainer to buy. You're going to then go ahead and promote the pre-sale in your email list and your YouTube content with urgency, but urgency with clarity. Because the reality is you do not need a fancy launch, just a compelling offer and a few emails or video mentions. If no one buys, go ahead and tweak the offer based on the feedback that you get and try again. It's not the end of the world. It's actually good feedback. If people do buy, congrats. You just validated your idea and got paid to create. You can deliver your product live via places like Zoom or Google Meet, record it, and then go ahead and resell the replay. This way, you're not stuck guessing or wasting time. You're creating based on real demand. So far, I've shared 4 tips to start creating digital products, and we have one really more good one to go. But if you want to discover the perfect profitable digital product for you, you can download our totally free profitable digital product discovery bot. So the thing is, you do not need to be a designer or an expert to create your first digital product. You want to use tools. So think things like ChatGPT to outline your product, and then Canva to design it and make it look good. Whether you're making an ebook, a workshop, or a checklist, you can use ChatGPT to generate your outline and even first drafts. Ask it to create a 5-step framework or even a solution guide for your topic. Then you're going to go ahead and head over to Canva and then use one of their templates to design your slide deck or an ebook. Keep the content tight, actionable, and visually clean. For ebooks, you want to aim for 10 to 30 pages. For workshops, you want to outline your slides around the 5 to 7 most asked questions from your audience on that topic. You can record the workshop live using Zoom or Loom, and then you're going to go ahead and package the recording. It's also a really good idea to add bonus materials like swipe files, templates, or even a private link to a Q&A. And then go ahead and use simple tools like System.io or Google Drive to promote and deliver your product. And make sure you're always testing the customer journey before launching. Have somebody you know buy it and make sure that the entire process is seamless and works properly. Once your product is live, go ahead and promote it in your email sequences, videos, and don't forget your pinned comments on YouTube. This single product can now sell over and over again without any additional time or effort from you. That is the magic of digital products. Make it once and sell it forever. I love that once it's made, it's done. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Welcome to leveraged income. So yeah, you really do not need a website to get started. You only need the right system and the right mindset. Take action on these 5 steps and you'll be miles ahead of people stuck in planning mode. Trust me, you can do this. And if you want to learn our entire process for creating and selling your own digital products, along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out the new free training linked in the description below this video. Now that you know how to start selling digital products without a website, you might be wanting to learn where the heck to sell them. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here. Because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it is way more powerful. I'll see you in the next video.